As you can see here, guys, of all the scanning that we did, there were so many fish. A lot of these were bluegills, and you'll see little cuts off, and that's where I pick up the deeper, move it out of the water, and then start scanning again. Come up here is a huge pot of fish, lots of little bait fish around, and just in a bunch of grass. I mean, this was just crazy how many fish that we saw here.
Come on, babe. Come on. Come on, babe.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Alright, there's the second one, guys. Alright, little girl got another one on, except for she's chowing down on some chips, so I'm gonna reel this one in. Right there. Man, there's just a school of bluegill here. The deeper picked up a ton. There's some on the surface, but they're really small ones. That's not the ones I was looking for. I was looking for the bigger ones. And I'm finding some decent sized ones, not huge, but another little guy right there. On. There we go. Get him back. I'm gonna go ahead and fix a worm. Hold on, stop. There we go. That's a bigger one. That's a bigger size one, about hand size. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Hi YouTube.
Hi, you poo.
Good.
Another bluegill.
Nice job.
The snake was not coming.
Snake.
Stop it.
There we went into a nice drop off. Lots of good looking fish right there. Guaranteed those are bass. And then there's all this grass and just a bunch of mess just in this little stretch right here.
Let me put it next to your head. Comparison to your head. Oh my god. Look at it. It's huge. Get ready. These fish are hungry.
That one?
Another one. Much smaller one, but...
Come on, fish it.
Whoa. God. Swing them 10 feet out of the water, kid. You're a beast.
I'm a beast at fishing.
This is crazy how many bluegill are here. Nice.
But we're way far away from it. They actually go in this ocean. Ding 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 ding.
You catch a lot of little ones to start, but in between you catch these really nice
Big.
sized bluegills. Kiss me for YouTube.
No.